Okay, here we have for sale a beautiful Husqvarna Viking 6440. It's an amazing machine, all metal gearing inside, really heavy, all metal exterior. And I'm going to show you some of the features of this machine, and it is for sale on eBay. Usually these machines have all their knobs gummed up if they haven't been continually serviced from the lifetime lubricant that didn't work on the inside. So all these knobs move freely. Here's the stitch length, which stitches up to a 6mm length, which a lot of machines only go to 4, but this knob moves just fine. We have the reverse knob right here, which is springy and works just fine. We have our stitch width, which moves quite freely. And then here's our stitch selector. So I want you to hear how this moves between the different settings. It really clicks into place. A lot of these knobs are so stuck that you can't even move them on other machines. So right now we are going to do some stitching in straight stitch, and then we'll do the zigzag setting, and then we'll go through a couple patterns on the A cam here so you can see that the pattern cam works. This machine is going to come, of course, with the head unit itself, the foot pedal, and the carrying case, and that's all that it comes with. Okay, so I'm going to be stitching in the reduction gearing mode. And then at normal speed, this is straight stitch. And then I'm going to turn it into zigzag. So here we go. And then in the reduction gear, awesome. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use one of the pattern cams. This is the A cam. This is actually from a little bit older machine. So the patterns are actually a little bit different than what's up here, but it fits in just fine. So to put a pattern cam in, what you have to do is put the stitch selector. You got to put that red dot on the white dot. Make sure these are both at 0. That disengages the little cam bar in here. So you just put this in. There's 3 little prongs here, so you just place it inside, twist it until you feel it go in. There we go. And then you're just going to turn this, and that locks it in. So if we want to do the first stitch here, the blue stitch, we're going to turn this to the blue bar, making sure that these are both at 0. So once that's at blue, then we put this at blue, and we have a little bit of variation right here about on the stitch length, and then we have the blue here, so that should be sewing that pattern. I'm going to put it in reduction gear. So here we go. It goes a lot faster if you put it in normal speed. So let's see what that looks like. Here we go. Yep. All right, so I'm going to do the red pattern next. I'm going to skip that orange one. So I always put these back at 0. So we're going to do the red pattern, and actually on this cam, the color is orange. So we're going to do orange. So here's orange. There's orange. Here's orange. All right, so it's going to sew something like that. go. You can see that pattern. And you know, we can do the purple one too. So here we go. I'm gonna flip this back the other direction. All right, so to do the purple, we are gonna put these back at 0. Oops, 0 that way. So we're gonna move this to purple. There's purple. Purple. Is that purple? It's hard to tell. Yeah, that's purple. All right. So purple is going to sew something like this, and I think that's what this cam is. Yeah, there we go. All right. So here we go. Cool. So yeah, with the cams you can do a lot of different stitch patterns, but this will sew through 4 layers of this nylon webbing, no problem. Actually, let's go ahead and show you that. Okay, so here's our thick, heavy nylon webbing. I'm gonna cut off these thread ends. So we're gonna fold it in twice here, and then we're gonna fold it in half again. So we have 4 layers of nylon webbing. Okay, here we go. 4 layers of thick nylon webbing in reduction gearing mode. So I'm going to switch it the other way. There you go, stitches these together, no problem. So here we have it. You can literally create anything with this machine. Husqvarna Viking 6440, get it while you can.